Have you ever thought that eating breakfast can help you lose weight? It is said, eat your breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince and dinner like a beggar. Skipping it can destroy all your weight loss efforts. If you do not eat in the morning, you will feel hungrier throughout the day with the result that you will eat more than you would have eaten at breakfast. What you would eat for breakfast can be food with more of fibers, but if you skip it you would end up eating fried or other snacks with heavy dressing adding to your calories. Also, eating breakfast increases our metabolic rate by 5%. This will result in burning of calories. Thus you should make it a point not to skip it even if you are in a hurry. You can prepare your food at night and then eat it even if you are in a hurry in the morning. You can also get different ready-to-eat foods like cereal or oatmeal. It does not even matter if you do not take a heavy meal on your breakfast. What is important is that you get the same nutrients and calories from the food that you eat like a regular breakfast. So it's very important to take breakfast because it is your first source of nourishment for the rest of the day, whether you aim to gain or lose weight in your body. You should always eat your breakfast to lose weight and never skip it, as it can help you reach your weight loss goals faster. Thank you for watching the video, hope you found it helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.